Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you are all doing good. If you are new to my channel, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can subscribe my channel and get all new notification of my new videos that I share daily to my channel. I hope you are waiting to my new video. So guys, here you go. I'm here again with one of your favorite topic. Today I'm sharing beautiful, struct, chunky, pixie, choppy bob haircut, all stylish chunky bob haircuts, stacked bob haircuts, angle bob haircuts, A line bob haircuts are showing in this video. All type of different haircuts are showing in this video. You can select one of your favorite in this video. All type of girls like job going girls, college going girls, teenagers girls, 40 plus girls can adopt these hairstyles. These hairstyles are on trending and fashion these days. These hairstyles are very easy to apply, easy to carry, and are on fashion. These hairstyles are on trending and very special according to summer season. Well, these hairstyles enhance the personality and beauty of the personality as well. No doubt, these hairstyles always look fashion and modern. Well, these all hairstyles are my favorite, and these all hairstyles are really beautiful. And I hope these all hairstyles and haircuts are your favorite too. I hope you guys like my effort too. If you do, you can appreciate me through comment section, and you also share me your ideas. I will make video on your ideas too. You can share this video to your friends, family members, and social contacts. So guys, keep watching, keep supporting, and keep sharing. Your appreciation give me boost, and it is really honor to me. So I will be there in next video with one of your another topic. Till then, take yourselves and don't forget to share the video, like, and subscribe. I will be there in next video. Don't forget to remember me in your prayers too. God bless you all too. Have a great hair day.